Are you excited to start programming but don't know where to begin? Don't worry, you are not alone. Today, I'm going to help you start your coding journey in the right way. We'll cover the essential things you need to do before jumping into code. So, let's get started. The first step is clarify your why. Knowing your why gives you a clear purpose, helping you focus on the right areas. Programming is a broad field with numerous languages, frameworks, and paradigms. Without a clear goal, it's easy to get overwhelmed or sidetracked. Are you interested in web development, data science, or maybe just want to solve personal problems with code? Knowing your goal will help you choose the right language and tools. Take a minute to write down what you want to achieve with programming. It could be building an app or landing a tech job. Step 2. Choose the right language. If you want to build a website, start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For data science, Python is your friend. For enterprise software, think about Java or C Sharp. Then set up your learning environment. Before you even write your first line of code, you'll need the right tools. You can find in my videos how download and install Visual Studio. VS Code is a lightweight code editor for multiple languages like JavaScript, Python, and C Sharp. IDE like PyCharm or IntelliJ working on more complex projects. And IDE offers built-in debugging, testing, and project management. Learn to solve a problem, not memorize. You don't need to remember every single command. Focus on understanding how to break problems into smaller tasks and solve them one by one. For this purpose, you can using platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, or even basic puzzles to build logic. You can start with simple coding exercises to train your brain to think like a programmer. The last step is building a routine. Programming needs time and patience. Try setting aside 30 minutes a day to practice. Consistency is a key. So remember, clarify your goals, choose the right language, set up your learning environment, focus on problem solving, and stay consistent. Don't forget, every expert was once a beginner. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly programming tips. Let me know in the comments what your first coding project will be.